In this video, we're making slow cooker Reuben Brats. That's right, beer, onions, sauerkraut, Thousand Island dressing, and then topped off with a melted Swiss cheese sauce. To start, in a frying pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the bratwurst and brown for 2 to 3 minutes on both sides. Next, into a slow cooker, add 24 fluid ounces of beer of your choice, half a sweet onion thinly sliced, and 1 1/4 cups of sauerkraut drained well. Place the bratwurst directly on top of the sauerkraut and onions. Cover and cook on high for 4 hours or low for 8 hours. For the cheese sauce, in a frying pan, melt a half cup or 1 stick of unsalted butter over low heat. Once the butter has melted, add 2 tablespoons of flour. Whisk in the flour until nice and smooth. Pour in 1 cup of milk, and then cook while stirring constantly for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the mixture thickens. Add 1 cup of freshly grated Swiss cheese, and stir for another 4 to 5 minutes or until the cheese has melted. Pour into a measuring cup and set aside. After the brats have finished cooking, remove the onions and sauerkraut from the slow cooker. Place onto a serving dish, followed by the brats. Grab a toasted hot dog bun, spread the inside of the bun with Thousand Island dressing. Traditionally, a Reuben is made with Russian dressing, which is spicy in flavor, but we're aiming for sweetness here. On goes the brat, then the onions and sauerkraut. Once again, bun, dressing, brat, onions and sauerkraut. And finally, drizzle the melted Swiss cheese sauce over the top of the brats. And there we have it. Slow cooker Reuben Brats.